Hi student, good morning to all, and this is a video for class 12 informatics practices numpy in Python, and this is for your part 4 video. And in this video now we are going to discuss about the topic name is joins in array. So what is it, joins in array? And this is one kind of function, and in this function is used to join two or more arrays of the same shape. Okay, if you want to join the one or two array, and then we are using this function. Okay, so the array size want to be the same. Okay, and then next, so how you can join that? So if you want to join that, we are going to use this one function. The function name is called as concatenate. So with the help of concatenate function, we can join that array. So how it will join that? Let me see one by one. And then this is for the syntax. How we can write the syntax for the concatenate? See here, syntax numpy dot concatenate a1 comma a2 axis. So before this statement we mentioned the variable name. For example, c equal to numpy dot concatenate. So what is numpy? And this is my library function name. And then in the library, what is the function? Numpy. And then here I'm going to mention the numpy. So instead of numpy, what we can give? We can give for the np. So when we are going to give for the np, suppose we are giving the alias name for np, we mention the np. So or else we mention for the numpy. So numpy dot concatenate. With the help of concatenate, we are going to join that. So here I'm going to mention that array variable. So first array variable, second array variable, we can pass this number of variable. So here simply I pass the parameter, and first array variable parameter and second array variable parameter, comma axis. So a1, a2 is the sequences of array of the same type. How you want to mention? A array value and B array value. For others, A1 array value or A2 array value want to be the same type. That means here I'm going to pass some elements. That element will be the integer. Here I'm going to pass some element. Suppose the element will be the string, means we cannot concatenate. When we can concatenate this, a1 value and then a2 value, that both value want to be the same type. If it is the same type, we can concatenate. So what is axis? Axis refers to the axis along with array, which array must be joined. So how it will be joined? How the value will be joined, that we are going to mention then. And then suppose if we not mention the axis, it will be assumed that that is a default. The value will be default. Here I written the one example program, and in that example program, concatenate two ID array, one dimensional array. And then first statement, import numpy as np. So what I did here, I'm going to import the numpy library and with alias name. What is alias name? np. So here I'm going to create the first element, a equal to nb dot array 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then first variable name is, what is the first variable name? A. So here I'm going to mention that nb alias name. So what is the array elements? 1 2 3. Here I'm going to create the second variable. What is the second variable name? B. P equal to nb dot array of 5 6 7. So I created two array variable with elements, and then here I'm going to concatenate. How I'm going to concatenate? Before we should mention one variable name, no. So what is my variable name? C equal to nb dot, with the help of concatenate function we can concatenate. So here I'm going to return the concatenate of a comma b. So what is the output of this program now? What are the elements will be there in the A? So what is the elements will be there in the B? So both the elements now it's going to be joined with the help of concatenate function. So next statement, print C. So if I am going to print the C, means now what is the output of the program? 1 2 3 5 6 7. Correct? Shall we see the output now? Oh, see here, this is the output. 1 2 3 4, sorry, 1 2 3 5 6 7. So 1 2 3, this is the first variable elements, and 5 6 7, this is the second variable elements. Correct? So if you want to concatenate like that, we are using the function name is called as concatenate correct? And see here, I written the another example, and then this is for the 2x2 matrix, that is for the 2D array. And then what is the first statement? Import numpy as np, and here I'm going to import the library, numpy library, and then here I'm going to variable name is a equal to np dot. So what is my elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 2x2 matrix. Here I'm going to, this is the first value, and then second, this is the second row value. First row value 1, 2, second row value 3, 4, and then print np dot concatenate a, a. See this statement here, I am not give this second array variable. So we can concatenate like this also. Okay. So what is the output of this statement? A, a means here first line it will be printed 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am going to concatenate along with a alone. So it will be printed same like then 1, 2, 3, 4. And see the second statement, print np dot concatenate a, a axis equal to 1. So axis equal to 1 means how would be printed? 1, 2, again a value 1, 2, and the next statement, next line 3, 4, it would be print again 3, 4. Okay, see here, you know the difference between the both the statement. If here I am not mentioned that axis 0, if you not mention the axis 0 means the default value is 0. Already I told, isn't it? So the axis value is 0. If it is 0 means it will be print like that. Suppose if it is axis 1 means it will be print like that. Can you can see this difference between the both output, correct? See here, in this statement I am going to mention the axis equal to 0. Print np dot concatenate a, a axis equal to 0. So this is output, and then this output will be same now. So here if you not mention the axis 0, and if it is mentioned means the same like that only it will be printed. Okay, and then suppose if it is axis is 1, how will be print? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4 will be printed. You know the difference. And the next statement, x equal to nb dot array of 5, 6. So what is 5, 6? That is the elements. That element value will be stored on the variable name is x. Here I am going to print nb dot v stack x, a. What is v stack? That is for the vertical stack. If the value want to be print on the vertical order, we are using this function. The function name is called as v stack. So nb dot v stack x, y. How to be printed? First we are using the x value, no. So it will be printed 5, 6. After a value. What is the a value? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be printed in the vertical order 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here I am going to create another variable. My variable name equal to y. So y equal to nb dot array of 8, 9. So what is 8, 9? And this is the elements for y variable. Here I am going to write the next statement, print nb dot h stack. What is h stack? That is for the horizontal stack. So if you want to print the value in the horizontal order, we are using this function name is called as h stack. And here I am going to print a, y. So what is a value? 1, 2. And then next to y, here I am going to print that 8, and it will be printed on the horizontal wise, and then 1, 2, 8, and the second row 3, 4, 9. So here I am going to use this one more square bracket. Here I am not mentioned the square bracket. Why? It will be printed on the same line. See here, it will be printed on the same line now, 5, 6. Here 8 and 9, how it will be printed in the horizontal order? First line 9 will be the 8 and second line will be the 9. So that's why I mentioned this separately. Can you identify that? Correct. So this is the way to print the V stack and H stack. So V stack for vertical stack and H stack for the horizontal stack. So what is vertical stack? So we can stack them vertically using the V stack function. So if you want to print the value in the vertical order, we are using the V stack function. So with the help of V stack function, we can print the value in the vertical order. The syntax is nb dot v stack and then variable name, array variable name a, b. Okay, see here, I'm going to return an example. This is a variable element and this is a b variable element. So now I'm going to concatenate with the help of v stack, and then what is my output? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now it will be printed on the vertical order, correct? And now we are going to discuss about the horizontal stack. So what is a horizontal stack? Means we can stack them horizontally using the h stack function. So if you want to print the value in the horizontal wise, so that time we are using the function name is called as h stack functions. The syntax is np dot height stack, that means horizontal stack a comma b. So this is the a value and the b value. How it will be printed? 1 2 3 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So like that it will be printed on the output screen. So now you know the difference between the horizontal stack and vertical stack. So if you want to print the value in the horizontal order, we are using the v stack. If you want to print the order in the vertically, we are using the v stack. If you want to print the value in the horizontal order, we are using for the h stack. And then next we are going to see about the transpose of matrix. So transpose of matrix means, for example, here I am going to give my input is 2 cross 3 matrix. So after transpose, my result is 3 cross 2 matrix. So totally it will be change the size. Here first I am going to give my input is 2 cross 3. After transpose, my result is 3 cross 2. So if you want to transport like this, we are using this function. So return the transpose of matrix. Work with the array like a object to. If the matrix shape is x comma y, the transpose of matrix shape will be the y comma x. So like this we are going to transpose this. See here, and transpose of matrix. So here I am going to give the 2 cross 3 matrix, correct? 1 2 3 second row, first row, first row, second row. So after transpose, what it will happen? It will be changed to 3 cross 2 matrix. So it will be changed 1 2 2 6 4 1. This is the meaning of transpose of matrix. Here I written the one example program for the transpose of matrix. Import numpy as np, and here I am going to import the numpy library, and then here I am going to give this variable name is a equal to np dot array of, and then first row, second row element, first row element 1 2 3, second row element 5 6 7, sorry 4 5 6, and then here I'm going to print the value a. So if I'm going to print the value, what is my output? 1 2 3, and second row 4 5 6. Here I'm going to write the one more statement, same print statement, a dot t. So what is the use of t? With the help of this is the function is used for to change the order. That means we are going to transpose this matrix, and then now I'm going to show that output. First statement, print a, no. So this is the output 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is the next print statement? A dot t. That means now I'm going to transpose the data, and then 1 4 2 5 3 6. Now it will first one it will be changed. Now it will be the first one 2 cross 3, and the second order for 3 cross 2. So how we are going to transport the date elements? So we are using this syntax for, and then variable name dot t. So with the help of statement we can transpose this. And then next concept is array subset. So what is array subset means? The created subset will be the numpy.nt array object. That means I'm going to give some elements. In that elements, here we are going to create that diagonal order. So what are the possible, what are the proper set will be there? We are going to divide that. Okay, that is the meaning of array subset. See here, my input is set a equal to 1 3 5. Then all the possible for a 0 1 3 5, and the next how we can write 1 3, and the next 3 comma 5. So like this, if you want to divide the set, we are using for the array subset concept. I written the example program. Subset from the 1D array. Import numpy as np. This is always first statement. Here I am going to create the function. My function name is sublist how the function will be work? It always start from main program. Correct. Where I written the main program, here start with the main program. What is the first line? X equal to nb dot array of 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I am going to create the array variable. My array variable name is x. So what is my elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if I am going to use this array subset, means what is my result? Empty array. Empty curly brace. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 4. Like that it will be divided. Correct? And the next x equal to my variable name equal to array elements. And the next one, print subset sublist of x. Here I am going to call the function. My function name is called as sublist and then x. So what is the value will be there? X. Now I am going to pass the value. So immediately when the compiler read the function name, the control pass to here. Okay, here I am going to define the function. Now my function name is sublist. Correct. So what is the list value now? So what is the x value? The same value now transfer to list. So now the value of list 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next statement, sublist equal to empty array. And then first one want to be empty now. And the next for I in range of length list plus 1. So now we are going to measure the length of list, and then it want to move to the next order. And the next this is used for the row, and then j it is used for the column. Okay, so with the help of for loop and j loop, we are going to subset that. And then here I am going to use one function for the abundant function. With the help of abundant functions, we can divide that, we can slice this array list, and then next return the sublist. After find out the answer, we are going to print this value. See here, and then empty array 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second one 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and the third row 3, 3, 4, and 4. Okay, and then this is the concept over now, and then remaining thing we will see in the next class. And thank you, dear.